Hey guys, we're in the shop today working on our Yamaha blaster, and we've got a stuck dowel pin. Normally I just pull these out with needle nose pliers if they're not very tight, but you don't want to damage this or your case half. So to remove a stuck dowel pin, what you want to do, we've got this Motion Pro dowel pin puller set, and it has multiple sizes of collets. This one's the 10 millimeter. It also comes with 8, 12, and 14. So there's a little bolt on the side. We're using a 5 millimeter Allen to snug that down. And you have the option, if it's not that tight, you can use a puller rod, but that's not going to cut it. You can also use a wrench to break that free. But what we're going to have to do is use the slide hammer feature. So I'm going to thread that in and pull this out. And it's just that easy. This is the Motion Pro dowel pin puller set. If you need one, pick it up on our website.